What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my top 5 Yeezy pickups of 2019. If you did not check out my top 10 sneaker pickups of this year, man, make sure you go check out the live stream. I will link it down below, or you can just go to the channel and see the last live stream, man. We had a lot of fun on the live. I showed you guys my top 10 and a couple of the shoes on the list. A lot of people was like, why did he put it on the list? And a couple of shoes, people was like, why are they so low? And why is this shoe so high? And stuff like that, man. But we had a lot of dope conversations. So go check out that live stream. And right now, before we get too far into this video right now, what I need you to do is subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, man. And have a notification bell on so you know when I go live, when I post videos, and anything that happens on the channel, you guys will get notified. And follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE, man. Link will be in the description box below. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes, man, you already know, go shop devintageworld.bigcartel.com. It will be linked down below as well, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into my top 5 Yeezy pickups of 2019, man. Let's get it. So I had to throw these Yeezys in the top 5, man. So this probably be, if you wanted to rank it, probably the least favorite of the shoes that I cop, but definitely one of my favorite Yeezy pickups this year, and it is the Yeezy Slides, man. I have them down here. I did a quick on feet for you guys over these shoes, man. Very comfortable. I know a lot of people right now like, are you serious? They in your top 5? Yes, they really are, man. Very comfortable shoe. It's different. It's kind of like a moon slide. Like it's super futuristic. And I can see a lot of people putting this in their slide rotation this upcoming 2020, man. Hopefully they give some dope colorways. I was digging this one the most, but they have like a dark brown colorway. I think they have a white pair as well, man. So I'm gonna try to get all the colorways in these Yeezy Slides, man. But very dope, very different. And I've been wearing these every single day since I got them. This is number 5. Gonna get right to number 4, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so for my next favorite Yeezy pickup, man, it had to be the Yeezy 700 Inertia, man. If y'all have not checked out the review and on feed over these, please go check it out. I dropped it way earlier this year, man. But definitely a shoe that was kind of hard to wear, but it was so different that I really liked the shoe. The color stood out. And you guys know I love like loud colors. I love shoes that are kind of hard to wear if you think about it. I got the Mnml 3s. People hated those. I got the pink Raf Simons. Like, I got a lot of shoes that people probably want to throw in their rotation, man. But this was by far one of my favorite Yeezy pickups, and it happened to be the Yeezy 700 Inertias. Not a lot of hype behind the shoe, not a lot of people talking about the shoe as we go into 2020, but I feel like this shoe like established itself to be like one of the best 700s in my opinion, man. So you guys check it out. Let me know how you feel about these. Do you have these in your collection, and do you think they fire, or do you think they trash, man? Let me know something down below in the comment section, and we're gonna get right to the next shoe, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so for my next favorite Yeezy pickup, man, it had to be the Salt 700s, man. As you guys know, I did like a pickup vlog, I did a review on feet and everything for the shoe. I was so excited about the shoe just because it's a plain colorway and you can wear this with anything. You guys, anybody that's been around me this last year, this is like one of my most worn sneakers in my collection, man. Just very durable. They give you a black outsole, man, so it's easy to clean up. The upper is all suede and stuff like that, but if you ain't running these shoes in the dirt and stuff like that, they will hold up very well. Throw you some crepe or whatever kind of repellent you throw on your shoes, man, and you'll be good. So this shoe right here was definitely one of my favorites. I wear this shoe a lot, like I said. Go check out my first weekly sneaker rotation. These were definitely in there, and I feel like this is one of the best 700s to release this year as well. So you guys let me know if you got these. You think they fire or they trash? Should these not even be in the top 5 discussion? You guys let me know something down below. So I'm getting right to this next Yeezy, man. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so for my second favorite Yeezy pickup of the year, man, it happened to be like very recent, and it was the Yeezy 350 V2 Yee Chills. I know a lot of people down below dagging me on how I was saying it. I really don't know how to say it. I really don't care. I wear the shoe how I look, not because of the name of it. But here you have it, one of my favorite Yeezys to release. I feel like this is one of the best 350s to release. It's like a top 3 for Yeezy brand. We got the green, we got the red, we got some hits of pink, we got some blue in the back, man. Just very different. And I got a dope outfit I did just for this shoe right here. I'm glad Kanye and Adidas came together and gave us something like kind of inspired by, you know, Jordan doing like a top 3, and they put it on this shoe right here, man. I'm wondering if you guys will put this in y'all top 10, top 5. I know a lot of people was like putting this shoe to shame at first, but I think that this shoe grew on a lot of people, man, especially me. I was kind of on the fence when I got them, but as I put them on feet, after I threw a couple different jean variations with them, man, I thought they were very spectacular, man. So here you have it, Yeezy 350 V2 Yee Chows. Let's get into the number 1 favorite Yeezy pickup of 2019. All right, so you guys probably figured it out already, man. My favorite Yeezy pickup this year by far is the Yeezy Triple Black Non-Reflective. I seen the reflective pair and I thought those things went crazy. A lot of these shoes that released, they dropped like a non-reflective and a reflective pair of it, and I feel like the reflective pair was always just a little better just because, you know, under that light you get that reflective hit around the whole shoe, especially with the Yee Chows, man. The reflective pair of those joints are crazy. My boy Rara had them on. He did a review and on feet over them guys, and I was like, bruh, I really want the reflective pair, but I'm fine with the non-reflective pair. But this one right here had to be my favorite. Yeezy released this year just because I wanted the original 350 Pirate Blacks. This is the closest we're going to get to that shoe. They still gave us like the same hits on the 350 V1 on this V2 right here, man. So very dope. You can see I've been beating these shoes up because it literally goes with everything you want to wear. It's a well-rounded shoe, versatile, whatever you want to call it, man. Very dope. And shouts out to Kanye and Adidas to drop this shoe. But please bring us some of those 350 V1s that released a while back, man. I know a lot of people will be happy to see that, but this one right here will do for now, man. Thank you guys for tuning in to my top 5 Yeezy pickups of the year. You guys might see a couple other like top 5, top 10, stuff like that, just so I can give my subscribers, the Vintage Gang, how I feel about certain releases, certain brands and stuff like that. So down below right now, let me know your top 5 Yeezy pickups. Make sure you like the video right now. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, man. Ring the notification bell for you boys so you never miss another live stream when I drop a video or anything that drops on the channel. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE. You already know the vibes. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.